Now, this illustration deals with cord and plug connecting computers or sensitive electronic equipment to a circuit or circuits that are sharing a neutral that's oversized. Now, notice in the illustration, we're having an AC or MC cable illustrated that has 12, 4 with ground, phase conductors, neutral, and equipment ground. But notice the neutral conductor is number 10. It's sized larger to take care of non-linear load heating and harmonic type load heating. But we're cord and plug connecting, so basically what's happened in 250.146D as in dog, they are allowing a receptacle to be installed that's called an isolation receptacle. It's orange in color, or it's ivory with an orange triangle. And then notice that the yoke of the receptacle is not grounded in such a manner that the isolation ground connects to it. The isolation ground connects to a green terminal that bypasses the metal yoke and the cord and plug connected 3 computers you see there. All of the isolation grounds bypass the yokes in the metal on its way back to the grounding common ground of the service equipment. So this figure just simply shows the requirements of the IEG run to the service ground in accordance with 250.146D as in dog, where the isolation ground bypasses the metal yoke of the receptacles plus the metal boxes all the way back. Now notice there's no subpanel here that we previously looked at, or that isolation ground would pass it also if you wanted to apply the exception to 408.40.